If you're looking to start a business, whether it's for side income or for full-time entrepreneurship, it's always a good idea to find something that can weather a recession. Now, here's the reality. No business is exempt from a recession and no business is 100% recession proof. However, there are some industries and business ideas that will weather a financial downturn better than others. So in this video, I'm going to share some recession proof business ideas that anyone can get started with. Hey guys, it's Fo from MamaAndMoney.com, where I teach you how to make and manage money to become financially free. Now, as I mentioned, there is no such thing as being completely recession proof. However, there are some industries that have stood the test of time when it comes to financial downturns. So first up, home daycare. No matter what the recession is, people are going to need childcare for their kids. Now, the reason that this is effective during an economic downturn is because home daycares tend to cost a lot less than traditional commercial daycare centers. So if you can be a reasonably priced daycare option for parents, you will have a thriving business no matter what the economy is. Now, of course, with this business, it comes with some licensing things and some certifications, I'm sure. However, if you're willing to put into the work and you enjoy taking care of kids, this could be a good business option for you. Then there's home health care. Listen, people are constantly going to need care from a health perspective, no matter what the economy is. So you can use this as an opportunity to start a business where you go into homes and care for people who may be disabled or even the elderly. There is never a shortage of need when it comes to home health care, so consider starting a business within this industry. So before I share the next business idea, I want to know what you're working on. What business are you starting right now? Comment below and let me know. Now, one thing is for certain, taxes are still going to be due no matter what the economy looks like. So if you want to get into bookkeeping or tax preparation, that is definitely an area that is kind of recession proof. There will always be taxes and money will always be owed to the government. So if you are an accountant, or even if you aren't, you can always go through training to become a bookkeeper and a tax preparer. These are always great options for business ideas that you can do despite what the economy looks like. You will always have to file taxes, and businesses will always need help keeping accurate data when it comes to their financial books. So again, bookkeeping, tax preparation are great recession-proof business ideas that you can get started today. So a really good business idea when it comes to the recession is resume writing. Usually recession is coupled by a huge amount of job loss and people looking for employment. And if that's the case, they're also looking for their resume to be updated and some help with the job search in general. So this is where you can step in and become a resume writer. Now, this does take some skill, and there are some certifications that you can get to become a professional resume writer, but I can guarantee you that this is something that is always in demand. People are always changing jobs no matter what the economy is, and they simply need help getting a resume that's going to get the eye of recruiters and other hiring managers. So you can definitely become a resume writer if this is something of interest to you, because it is something that can weather any kind of economy. So this next recession-proof business idea is for the pet lovers out there. The idea is a pet care or pet grooming business. So pets are going to need to be cared for just as much as humans are going to need to be cared for during any economy. So you can start your pet care or pet grooming business and even make it mobile, meaning that you can travel to different homes or different locations to handle pet care services and grooming. People are always going to take care of their pets no matter what. So why don't you jump in that industry and provide those services? Now, again, this may be something that requires additional training. However, if this is something that you're interested in, invest the time and effort into getting the proper certifications and education around it, and start your business. Now, a business idea that will never go away no matter the economy is flipping items. So this could mean like reselling clothes or reselling items, refurbishing items and selling it. This is always a great strategy for making extra income in general. So you can take some unused items that you have, or you can buy some items at a discount and sell them much higher on online shopping sites or at a local garage sale or even a festival. This is a great way to make money. It's simply requires a small investment up front, but if you do it the right way, you can make a ton of money reselling items such as clothes and furniture. Now, I have a whole article on how you can start reselling clothes and also flipping other items. I'll leave links to those in the description of this video. Now, the next business idea that you can leverage during the recession is actually freelancing. Now, a lot of times during economic downturn, companies are looking for ways to save on their workforce. So a lot of times, unfortunately, they do layoffs and they hire maybe temporary work where they aren't having to compensate them for things like insurance and benefits and other things. So if that's the case, you want to leverage yourself as a freelancer. Now, this can be anything, right? You can be a freelance graphic designer. You can even be a virtual assistant. There are so many things that you can freelance with that will allow you to make money within any economy. I've personally done freelance writing, and that has allowed me to be able to make additional income as well. So if you have a skill that is valuable in the marketplace, go out as a freelancer, market yourself on platforms like Fiverr or even Upwork, or just use your network in general to find jobs and contracts with different companies or online entrepreneurs. Now, here's the thing. These are all business ideas that you can leverage at any time. It doesn't have to be a recession for you to start these businesses. However, these are a few that can help you weather any economic storm and allow you to make extra income or do it full time. Now, of course, these are only a few of the many recession-proof business ideas out there. In fact, I have a blog post that shares even more ideas that you can check out using the link in the description of this video. But hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share. And with that, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.